So I'm just sitting here going through all the plans for the pool. We decided to go with Blue Haven Pools. We took a drive out to Lansvale to their showroom the other day and sat down with Remonda, who is the daughter of the original founder. I think they've been in the business for like over 50 years or something. And she was lovely. We went through all my Pinterest boards and came up with a whole plan. So we decided to go with Blue Haven for a number of reasons. We checked out a bunch of different pool builders. I'll show you the site actually so you can see. So here's the area. It opens up from the kitchen and dining room. This is the deck that Damien built to replace the old deck, which you can see is looking a little run down. But the shape, it's actually quite a small, it's a plunge pool. So it's a 5 by 3 meters. We were initially going for a prefab pool to make things easier, but it was too hard to get it down the driveway or over the roof. And Blue Haven were able to do a custom concrete pool where they built it on site without blowing the budget. So we went to Lansvale, we had a good look at all the pools on site. I've got magnesium pools and a swim jet. Here are my mood boards that I made. So we're going for a real Mediterranean vibe. We want sort of white walls, an arch seat. So the great thing about a custom concrete pool is you can really use the space that you've got. And with this beautiful design, and I'm so happy. And that was one of the reasons we went for a custom concrete pool with Blue Haven, because they're able to be very flexible in terms of whatever you can imagine. We've been looking at lots of different tiles. We want a really bright white limestone. I've been on the phone to all the tiling places and driving all over Sydney to get samples, but we're getting there. We're getting closer, and hopefully work will start in the coming days.